Whether you're a seasoned woodworker looking to master a new skill, or a hobbyist wanting to create unique holiday gifts that your loved ones will treasure, come join me at Woodcraft in Walpole for a hands-on class bending your own set of timeless and elegant shaker oval boxes. Hi, I'm Ken from KHK Woodworks, a professional woodworker and shaker box expert passionate about sharing this rewarding craft. I'll be at Woodcraft in Walpole, Massachusetts, teaching a shaker box basics class introducing both novice and experienced woodworkers to the tradition of shaker oval box making and how to bend wood using hot water. Students will be supplied with a 3-box kit in black cherry, including all the materials necessary to create a number 1, 2, and 3 size shaker oval box, plus written instructions and measured drawings for all required tooling. Details of the entire process will be given, with students gaining hands-on experience and application. Students will go home with a set of heirloom gifts for themselves or for up to 3 of their closest friends and family. This shaker oval box class is perfect for any woodworker looking for that unique gift project for the holidays, or even makes a great gift itself for your favorite woodworker who has yet to master wood bending. Come learn a historic craft and start a tradition of your own. You can learn more about the shaker oval box class on Woodcraft of Walpole's class website. You'll find a link in the description below, or call Woodcraft of Walpole at 508-668-2413 to sign up. So come join me November 25th to learn a new skill, have fun in the company of other fellow woodworkers, experience the pleasure of working in a well-equipped wood shop, and go home with a handcrafted set of heirloom gifts. I look forward to meeting you. As always, thanks for watching. But wait, before you go, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. Then give the video a thumbs up with the like button to show the community what you think. Now, go make something great. You know you can do it.